Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a Ulta haul. I'm super excited. I hope you guys had a great 2020. I did. I stayed home with my babies and we rang in the new year. They didn't make it. It was super funny, but one of them, my girl, didn't make it. She had like 20 minutes, and then my son, he was about like 8 minutes from the ball dropping. But I'm super excited for 2020. I launched my channel last week, and I'm just gonna continue to share with you guys some of the stuff that I like. So today for our video, I'm gonna be doing an Ulta haul. I bought these products a couple of days ago. I went in to go get my hair blow dried. I have really bad scalp right now, so I went in and got their salon service. It was okay. I actually like the dry bar better, but I will do another video about that another time. So before we get started, I just share with you guys that I appreciate you guys watching, and I'm forever grateful. If you like my videos, and if you have any ideas for me to record, go ahead and leave them down below and give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that button, and also make sure to hit the bell so you can get your reminders when I upload. So with that, let's get started. This is what we have right here. I have a few products I'm going to be sharing with you. I did use some coupons, so they were a little cheaper, but I do have the receipt and I can tell you how much they cost, so you're just aware of them. So for the first product I bought, so I actually went in for my hair, like I said, and it's just really dry, so I wanted to get my hair like blow dried and like a scalp massage. I went in for a deep scalp treatment, and they were actually out, and so the girl did another one, and I don't remember what it was, but anyways, so in my last video I did notice that my makeup was a little like my, how can I say it, like I felt like all of my bronzer was just kind of blending everywhere, and so I went in to ask her as to why. So she asked me, you know, do you use cream, do you use powder? I used powder. I used the Fenty, I think it's caramel something, I don't know, but she asked me all those questions. I said it was a powder, and then I explained to her that I use the Neutrogena. That's like my go-to foundation. I haven't found anything that I like, so I kind of stick to something. So she told me about this Smashbox Photo Finish Minimize Pore. It's a primer. So she told me how much it was. It was $40. I was at first like, but I will say, now that I've tried it, so this is the packaging, this is what it looks like. Now that I've tried it, I can honestly say it's totally worth the $40. It is a little bit of an investment, but I'm okay with that as long as my makeup looks, you know, good. So it does. I'm super excited. So I just pour a little bit. I mean, it doesn't smell like anything, but it's just like a little, you can see it's like a tan, like SPF kind of color, but you put that on your fingers and then you rub it. So you do that before you put your foundation, and so I actually like this one. So this is something that I will continue to buy, even though it is a $40 investment. Let's see, it was actually $39, so it was $1 off, so $39, but it's totally worth it. So if you guys feel like, sure, there's like drugstore ones that you can buy. So but yeah, that's one of my favorites for now. And then I went in, so I use the same eyeshadow palette all the time. So I just wanted something different, and so I swatched these earlier, but these are the ColourPop Shadow Ultra Metallic Ultra Glitter. So I got 3 colors. So I got Tea Party, I got Like a Shot, and then I got Little Quirky. So I got these 3. I like the pinky color, this is the first one I picked out, was the Tea Party. And so I picked this one out, and I really liked it. So I swatched that, and then, so I like more of the like bronze. I liked for it to give you like that glow or whatever, because I want to feel like J-Lo, you know, with the big hoops and like gold, you know, pink, you know, and stuff like that. So I wanted to have like a glowy look, so I picked these out. And so I also got the pink. So I used these two today, so that's what I have on right now. You can see I really like them. They go on very smooth, and so I actually swatched them earlier. I'm gonna insert a video, but I have them, I don't know if you can see it, but this one, as you can see, they don't really smell like anything. I've already messed with it several times, so this is what we have right now. And this is the like a shot, and they have these cute little white containers. So ColourPop, I've bought their just matte lipsticks. I think I have Beeper, and then I bought one for Halloween because I was Coco Frida, and so I needed a red. So I went into Ulta and I bought ColourPop, but I've never bought any of their other products. So I decided to take a chance with these. So I bought these three. Super cute. I love the colors. I would recommend them. They're easy to use. You don't have to mix them whatsoever. You can just use like one or all of them. So I used two of these, and then I would recommend, if you're looking for new eyeshadows, these actually cost, I think they're $6. Yeah, they're $6. I also used a coupon. I think it was like $3.50 off 15 or something like that. So I did get a couple cents off. So I think they took 45 cents off of each one. So that made it from $6 to $5.20. So this I actually like. I need a new mascara, and I normally use, I think I've been using the Maybelline. I liked that one. I've used the L'Oreal, the Paradise one. So I was just walking by, and this one's L'Oreal too. It's called the Bambi Eye, and it's super cute packaging. It's you know, silver. As you can see, it sparkles. So pretty. Isn't that so pretty? So it has like this wand. It has like spikes all on the side right here, as you can see. So it's super cool. I like it. I've used it several times, so I do like that one so far. And that's what I have right now on my eye. So cool. So I would recommend this one to you. I also went in to get like lipstick, and so I love the Kardashians, and so I love their makeup, and they always just have this pinky nude color. Kim, Chloe, and Kylie's line. I have tried Kylie's, but they look a lot different on everybody depending on skin tone. So I went in and I looked. They were out of a lot of stuff there. There was like a nude color that I wanted, and they didn't have it. So I got this nude lip. It's called Lip Liner Nude Zero. So I think most of her stuff is like nude, and so I've already used it. So I lined the bottom of my lips. That's what I have right now, and I think I like the nude packaging and the black. It's just their brand, so I like that. And then I went in and I got this lip. Any of the cream, they didn't have any of the nude color, and so I got this pink one. It's super cute. The packaging is super cute. So this one is the nude pink. And it's just like in a clear. It's so pretty. I'm gonna put them on. I don't know. I just like it. It's very creamy, super cute. So this one was, let me see, $18, and it comes in this box like this. Like I said, their packaging, I love their packaging, so it's super cute. This is what it looks like, and then you can see. So this was $18. I had a coupon, like I told you, and I got it for $16.85. I really do like it. I'm more of a matte girl, but I do like a cream, especially in the winter when my lips are really dry. So I bought this one. I did want the nude, but I didn't find it, so I just got this one and these two together. So I think that the lip liner pairs really good with it because it's a nude color and this one's pink, so that's just what I think goes good for me and my skin tone. So I bought these. So far I've liked all the stuff that I've bought. I know that sounds like crazy, like you just got it, but I really do like them. And so the last thing that I purchased was this Morphe lip gloss. It's called Virgin. It's super cute. I was just walking by, and so I usually use the Maybelline, the 16-hour stay, and I love it. But recently, in the winter, my lips get really dry, so I have to just not wear it because it kind of dries my lips out. So I was like, okay, well, let me try. I've heard Morphe is such a good brand. I've never purchased anything from them. I purchased the Jaclyn Hill palette, which I used it at first and I haven't in a long time. So I walked by and I was looking for a matte lip, so I bought this one. It's very pretty. So yeah, it's super cute. Yes, and this one was actually $10. I actually thought it was more than that, but it was actually $10 and I saved 75 cents. And so that made it to be, what was it, $8.66. So for this, I did love it. I paired it up with this one and it worked just fine. The only thing that I can say is that it doesn't stay on very long, which I like my lips to stay on really long. Yeah, it's a matte. So other than that, I like it. The color's pretty. I do plan to buy more because I feel like for $10, this is a really good deal for Ulta. And again, I love Ulta because you can use, you know, you have to sign up, you make an account, and then you can get points. So you get points based on what you spend. So I do believe I got $11 off. That's what I had in my account. And so that's what I like. I think if you save up, I think people have saved up a lot. People got free stuff, but I also, my daughter's like her hair stuff. It's called, let me see, I'm looking at the receipt. Anyways, it's called Grow or something like that. So I bought my daughter's hair stuff too. It was $7.99, and this is my second time purchasing it for her. And really long hair. She's 9, and I've trimmed her hair several times. Comb her hair out, it's such a battle, like literally it's such a battle. And so she cries, she's very tender-headed. I wasn't tender-headed, my sister was. So it's really, it's hard. But once I found that product, I just tried it. I bought it, but this is our second time buying it, and she loves it. And it leaves her hair shining. I think it has like ginger in it and something else. So I bought that. I'm super excited to share with you guys this haul from Ulta, and please guys give it a try. Let me know what kind of other products from Ulta you guys like, and I will look into buying them. Again, this is like my all-time favorite right now. So here are some of the products that I have. Let me know what you guys think. If you've tried some, what are your thoughts? Again, thank you so much for watching my channel. I'm super excited about this, and I hope you guys had a great New Year's, and I will see you guys in the next video. If you like my videos, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you. Bye guys.